In this lesson, we are going to learn what is search engine optimization or what is SEO. First, search engine delivers the most relevant search for each search query. We saw that from our previous lesson. But search engine use something called ranking factors to decide the best search results for a query. The ranking factors describe internal rules and guidelines that each search engine uses to determine the best results for the user. Fact, Google never discloses their ranking factors in full, but experts estimate that there are over 200 of them. So now let's take a look into the definition of search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of optimizing your web pages according to the ranking factors for your targeted search queries in search engines in order to rank at top positions in organic or non-paid search results. So SEO process can be divided into several logical steps further. These steps make our job easier to focus and keep a solid workflow on SEO optimization. Now I will go through all the steps one by one. We have keyword research, on-page SEO, technical SEO, off-page SEO, and tracking and maintenance. Now let's take a look into deep knowledge on that. First, keyword research. It is a process of analyzing your market or industry to find relevant, right user intent and profitable search queries, also known as keywords or key phrases, for your web pages. On-page SEO optimization. It is a process of optimizing contextual and logical search engine ranking factors within your websites and web pages. Technical SEO optimization. It is a process of optimizing technical or code level or website level search engine ranking factors within your website. Off-page SEO optimization. It is a process of optimizing for ranking factors that are outside of your website. This top step is also commonly known as a backlink process or link building process. The final step, this is a recurring stage where we will be continually using it to monitor and change it. It is known as a process for monitoring, maintaining, and re-optimizing your SEO campaign or efforts by analyzing existing data or new industry updates and news and adjusting our content or SEO process accordingly. So these are the main stages of any SEO process. In conclusion, we learned what is SEO and how we can separate them logically. Each of this logical step is very important for to have a successful SEO campaign. I will focus on each of these steps in very detailed form to give you guys a maximum SEO knowledge and get the maximum benefit out of it.